Guide to protecting your car battery terminal from corrosion. Corrosion on car battery terminals can lead to poor electrical connections, reducing battery performance and lifespan. Fortunately, preventing corrosion is straightforward with regular care and a few simple tools. Here is a step-by-step guide to protect your car battery terminals. What you'll need: safety gloves, eye protection goggles, wire brush or battery terminal cleaning tool, baking soda and water solution or commercial battery cleaner, a small brush or toothbrush, clean rag or towel, petroleum jelly or dedicated battery terminal protectant spray, wrench or pliers for disconnecting battery cables. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Safety first. Wear safety gloves and eye protection to prevent contact with corrosive residue, which can be harmful to your skin and eyes. Ensure your vehicle is turned off and the keys are removed from the ignition. 2. Disconnect the battery terminals. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal first, using a wrench or pliers. This minimizes the risk of electrical shorts. Then, disconnect the positive plus terminal. 3. Inspect the terminals for corrosion. Corrosion often appears as a white, powdery substance around the battery terminals. If corrosion is present, handle it carefully to avoid contact with your skin or inhaling the particles. 4. Clean the terminals. Mix a solution of baking soda and water. Approximate 1 tablespoon of baking soda per cup of water. Dip a small brush like a toothbrush into the solution and scrub the corroded terminals. You may also use a dedicated wire brush or battery terminal cleaning tool for better results. If using a commercial battery cleaner, follow the manufacturer's instructions. Apply a protective coating. Apply petroleum jelly, a thin layer, to the clean and dry terminals. The jelly acts as a barrier, helping to prevent future corrosion. Alternatively, use a commercial battery terminal protectant spray, which offers similar corrosion resistance. Final inspection. Double-check that all connections are secure. Ensure that the terminals and clamps are fully covered by the protective coating. By regularly cleaning and protecting your car battery terminals, you can prevent corrosion, ensure optimal electrical performance, and extend the battery's life. This simple maintenance routine keeps your vehicle reliable and helps avoid potential starting or electrical issues down the road.